Hello everyone, and as always welcome back to my shed. So this is part of my homemade milling machine. If you want to see videos of the build of the machine, I'll put some videos in the info card somewhere in this corner. You can check them out. But these holes, I already spotted them. They are precision holes. They need to be drilled with 5mm drill to accept M6 thread, but they need to be blind, I would say 10mm deep. So in the past I used to do the tape trick, but it just doesn't work out. I mean, it sucks. So I will be using this part. This is a core drilling offcut, so the nice thing is it already does have a center for the drilling I need to do. And I will be using this as a drill stop. It will be fixed with a little set screw, and it will allow me to drill precise blind holes. So this is exactly the reason I like to keep offcuts like these. They always come in handy when you don't have a lathe.